Good morning, everybody. How was your weekend? Good. Yes, I had a good weekend too. Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to learn what it means to be a good citizen, okay? All right, row one, if you want to go ahead and head to the carpet quietly. Thank you. Crisscross applesauce, everybody. Thank you. Okay, row three, go ahead and head this way. Great job, girls. Okay, row three. Thank you. Okay, everybody go ahead and spread as a circle. Crisscross applesauce. Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to learn what good citizens do, okay? Can anybody tell me what good means? What citizens? What you think citizens might mean? No? Okay, it's okay. We're going to learn today, okay? So you guys don't worry about it. Okay, so today we are going to learn what the words mean, okay? Can anybody tell me what the word good means? Caring, okay? Being nice, good job. You guys are so smart. Okay, so those are all different definitions to define good, right? When you care for somebody, when you care about your friends or your family members or your siblings, that's being a good person, right? When you share your toys or snacks, that's being a good person, correct? Yes, okay. When you're being nice to somebody, let's say a new student wants to be here and you guys were nice to them and welcoming, that's being a good person, correct? Yes, okay. So now let's talk about the word bad. Hitting, good job, yes. Hitting can be bad, right? Because you can hurt somebody and we don't want to hurt people, okay? Not being friendly, yes, good job. Throwing trash, great job, that one's a good one. Yes, throwing trash. Okay. Being mean? Oh, yeah, definitely. Okay, we do not want to be mean to others. Okay. And our last important word, citizen. What does it mean to be a citizen, guys? Okay, it reminds you of the word city. Okay, that one's a good start. Good job. Okay, yeah, because look, citizen. Okay, so can anybody tell me what city means? Okay, so city means the town or place that you live in, okay? So, for example, we live in Decatur City, okay? Okay, so we are citizens of Decatur because we are people that live in Decatur, okay? You can also be a citizen of Alabama, okay? A citizen of the United States. So a citizen is a person that belongs or lives in a, okay? Okay, guys, so these are all great terms to describe these three words, okay? So now we are going to sit here quietly for the next 2 minutes, okay? I want you guys to pay close attention to this video, okay?
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
Hello. Let's get started on the worksheet. Being a good citizen. Good citizens are kind and helpful in their communities.
Great job, guys. These are actually some of the words we used, right? And look at the girls. They're being helpful. They're helping their mom or maybe grandmother in the garden.
You can be a good citizen by keeping your community clean.
Does anybody know what a community is? Okay, the community is, let's say you guys live in a neighborhood, okay, or Decatur. That's considered your community, okay? So we want to keep our communities clean.
And being nice to your neighbors.
Great job. Yes, we named being nice, correct? So now let's listen to the directions on the video.
Circle all the pictures that show good citizenship. First, we see a girl being polite. She is holding the door open for someone else. The other girl is drawing on a building.
Uh-oh.
Which of these girls is being a good citizen?
Okay, so I'm going to give you a second, and I want you to tell me, raise your hand if you think the picture on the left with the girl in the yellow dress is showing good citizenship, or is the girl on the right with the face on the wall, is she showing good citizenship? Okay, raise your hand if you think left. Good job, class. You guys are awesome. You really paid attention. I knew you would. You guys are so smart. Okay, so now let's see if we got it right. Yes.
They do not draw on things that don't belong to them. Great
Yeah, we
job.
do not want to draw on people's
Look at
property,
the next
okay?
set of pictures. One boy is pushing someone. Another boy is sharing his candy.
Okay, so again, raise your hand if you think the picture with the two boys in orange and blue, are they showing good citizenship? Or are the boys in blue showing good citizenship? The guy is sharing his candy. Okay, raise your hand if you think the picture on the left. Nobody? Okay. What about on the right? Good job! You guys, I am so proud of you.
Any good citizens?
And let's see.
Yes. Good. Pushing
Good
people
job,
does not
yes.
show good citizenship. Good answer.
Last example.
What do you see in the last two pictures? A girl throwing trash in the garbage can.
Uh-oh.
And a
What
boy
is he
throwing
doing?
trash on the ground.
Okay, now raise your hand if you think the picture on the left with the girl putting the trash where it belongs is showing good citizenship. Yes! Great job, class.
Which
Okay, so
of these pictures show good
let's
citizenship?
see.
Then you're
Woohoo!
correct.
We got it right.
Good citizens keep their communities clean.
And we talked about what community is. So a community, I don't think we talked about it, did we, class? I'm sorry. So community is, so for example, let me start like this. So we live in the city of Decatur, correct? So Decatur is our community, okay? So we come to this school, so this can also be considered our community, okay? Because there's more than one person and we all get along, okay? So we have to keep our school clean and nice, okay?
Congratulations!
Yes.
You completed the worksheet. Awesome work.
Okay, so now I want us to look over here, and I am going to pick 6 lucky people to come to the front and use the magic board, okay? So, Alex, can you come over here, honey? Can you drag the first picture to the top where it says good citizen or bad citizen? Okay, great job. Okay, so can you tell us why you think they're being good citizens? They're helping, okay, yes. So yeah, they're helping others, right? Okay. All right, Anna, can you come over here, honey? Uh-oh, they're hating each other. You guys are rocking it. Great job. Yes, Anna. So what are they doing? Are they being nice to each other? No, they're hitting each other. Okay? Omar? So they have 2 bags, and it looks like they're sweeping. Great job, but do you know what they're doing? They are recycling. Does anybody know what recycling mean? Okay, so recycling means when you send things to a certain area. So, for example, bottles and paper, stuff like that that we recycle outside our room, they get taken and they are either melted or shredded and they are made into different things. So, recycling is pretty cool. Okay, so we want to keep our school clean and we want to reuse things because that helps our planet. Uh-oh, he's stealing. Sorry. Annalie? Oh, yes, bad, bad. We don't want to steal from mom, okay? Okay. Okay, let's see. Who wants to go next? David? Okay. Uh-oh, they're not being very nice. Great job, David. What are they doing? They're not sharing, okay? We said sharing is caring. So they should be sharing, correct? And the last one. Juanita, okay? Good job. So these are all qualities of good citizens, okay? So all of these are good citizens. These are bad citizens. They're not bad, but they're making a bad decision, correct? Okay, thank you, class. So now I want you to pick a person, just one, okay? I want you to be in groups of 2, okay? So go ahead and get in your groups, and I want you to talk about different things that you can do in your community to show good citizenship, okay? And I'm gonna walk around and answer any questions that you guys have, okay? So go ahead and get in your groups, and I want you to just talk to your partner, okay? Talk to them about what you would do to show good citizenship. All right, thank you, class. Okay, so in this video, I wanted to show how students in kindergarten, even though they don't know how to read just yet, they can still use these visual, so pictures in the video, to explain to them what good citizens or good citizenship means. So with these visuals, it helps them understand if the person or the people in the pictures are doing the correct thing or not. This would be a lesson that I would normally try to do in the morning or maybe after PE to kind of get them. So we're doing the carpet, so that would make us have a discussion as a group, and I would be able to hear everybody's different thoughts and look on their faces to see if they understand or if they're confused. The video would help these students to understand a little bit more about what citizens are and what their duties are. And the last one, it kind of gives me an idea to see, and I can pick the students that I can see that are still having a hard time. So I can call on them, and then they can show me by going up to the board and dragging that picture so I can know that they understood the lesson of what good citizens are and what they do to show good citizenship. So this is what my lesson consisted of. I really thought that I didn't want to include too much wording because, again, they're kindergarten, so I'm the one that's going to be able to read, and I don't want to bore these students. So I try to keep it simple. Like I said, I would have students at the end of this partner up, and as I'm walking around, I can notice if they are confused, and at that moment, I can track them and say, hey, look, and explain to them again. Hey, look, good citizens do these kinds of things, remember, just like we talked about. And so they would be able to share that, and they would also be able to share with one another what they would do in their communities or even in their neighborhoods. What would they do to help them and show good citizenship? So for example, they might be able to take the trash of the next door neighbor, or if they see a trash coming out of school, then they can pick that up. So those are different qualities that would help these students understand what good citizens do and good citizenship, what it means to show good citizenship. All right, thank you.